What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. It's another day and I thank God for this day. Yes, but it's my first day in Dubai, and from behind you can see my hotel room. I mean, like my home for the next couple of days. I think 1 week. I think I mentioned yesterday I'll be here for the next 8 days. Right now it's 9 over here, and Dubai and Kenya, Dubai is like 1 hour ahead of Kenya, so I'm assuming back home, not I'm assuming, I know back home it's 8. And right now I want to go for breakfast because they told me yesterday that they serve breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. over here, so I only have 1 hour to go. So I'm going to have breakfast and then I can come back to the room. At the moment I don't even know, like I've heard a lot of things about dressing, but now on the ground everyone is telling me that it's okay, you can wear anything, blah blah blah. And the videos that I've been watching before I got here are things of people saying that you're supposed to dress up, I don't know in what way. But for now, since it's the hotel, I'm going for breakfast, but I'm trying to play safe because I have my pants on. So I just want to go and see, like, you know, like I'm going to, naenda kupima weather. How do you say that in English? I'm going to measure the weather. Anyway, good people, yes, I am happy to be here and let's go for breakfast. I have a lot, like a lot to come, so I better start my day. So I have a class which is supposed to start at 9. That's 9 Kenyan time, which is now going to be 10 a.m. over here, so immediately after my breakfast. So I'll see if I can get to that class or not. But for now, guys, let's go for breakfast and see what they have. So good people, I've decided to join the class. I'm back in my room for after breakfast. Yes, so I've decided to join the Saturday class which is going on. It's like we are 30 minutes in, and yeah, so it's on Zoom right here. So we will do this. I'm just hoping that my concentration will be here, because you know how you can easily get distracted when you're on holiday and trying to concentrate, like learning something in class. But anyway, we have to do this. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. This class is not ending anytime soon, and what I'm going to do, by the way they are on mute, that's why I'm talking to you. So what I'm going to do is just try and arrange my stuff, because yesterday I got here so late I wasn't able to do anything, and this room is a total mess. Like towards that side, this side looks a bit more organized. That side, I will of course continue being part of this class and just listen, and yeah, I listen to what the instructor is saying. So let's go to that side. So class is over. I finished actually arranging everything. It's around 12 p.m. so I'm thinking of doing a 1 hour, and the housekeeping lady already came. By the way, she's from Kenya, because she started speaking Swahili and I was like, oh yeah, you're from Kenya. So anyway, yes, I'm just going for swimming, and then I just want to see how it looks like. I've not been to that side, so of course I'm going to bring you guys along. But once the room is cleaned and everything is in order, when I come back I'll give you a room tour, and then we can move to somewhere else. But today is my day 1 here. Yes, it's just I think 2 days to my birthday. Yes, I know guys, you really don't want to see this place right now. All you want to see are the views that I'm having over here, and it's just amazing. This is the inside. This floor is where you get your massage, and the pool is also here. So I'll show you to the swimming pools this side. there are many benefits of traveling alone, and I'll definitely do a video on that. But one of the disadvantages of traveling alone is that now when it comes to oiling your skin, you have to do it yourself, especially your back, and it's very, very hard, especially when I'm doing now the sunscreen, because Dubai is getting hotter and hotter as time goes. But even there's also music playing on the background, so it means I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this area. Yep. Swimming went well. I can't shoot over there like that. I just don't want to, you know, to be told that, oh, why are you shooting, why are you checking my video, blah blah blah. So, but it's been amazing, and I've been there for like almost an hour, imagine, since I went to the pool. I want to go to my room and then at least change and maybe leave the hotel now. My people, I'm back in the room from the swimming. I need to freshen up, and I was supposed to give you a room tour, and I feel like it's going to be a raw deal if I connect it with this video for today. So I'm going to do it as a standalone because I feel like there's just so much to show you, and the room is looking so good. Oh my goodness, it's so fresh, like good people. So I've selected what I'm going to wear. I'm also charging my phone because I can't afford to have it like off. And yeah, and I want to go to Dubai Mall. I was told that it's around 2 kilometers from here, and the taxi guy who carried me yesterday, I can't remember the name of that particular taxi, but he was telling me that it's the most affordable one here. So it's going to be around 12 dirham, so meaning it's not that far, because from the airport to this place I paid 66 dirham. That's around almost 2,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah, so that's like almost $20. Yeah, so right now let me shower and then I'll be right back. So my good people, after I showered, I did the room tour video, and then after that I slept for like an hour. But I just still feel tired even right now. It's around 5 p.m. and I just want to go and, you know, get something and buy something to eat. I'm thinking of going to the mall. From the look of things, I'm not going there. I've met someone who just told me that there's another place I can get something, and I also wanted to go and like exchange some cash as well, like get some dirham. And yeah, so this is me heading to my first destination that I've been told by this cab guy. It's gonna be a nice evening drive, I guess, because it's very far from here where we are going. Yep. I'm here waiting for my food to be made. The cab guy brought me here and told me that I can get nice shawarma. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a nice shawarma, but I got something else. I think it's called chicken filet or something. I don't know, but I'll show you. So that's the place where I'm getting some juice as well. They're blending it. It's so fresh. So my food is here already. Oh, okay. So this area that I'm at right now is called Zabil, and it's where there's a king's palace somewhere there, and the view, like the houses here are so beautiful, like you can see from what's behind me. Yes, I can't afford to remove my mask, good people. Like what's behind me, the house is right there, and it's just amazing. Like I'm glad I took this trip to this side with this guy. His name is, gosh, what's his name? I've forgotten, but I'll ask before I leave. But this place is beautiful. Dubai is just so beautiful. People, I'm back to my room. I didn't go to the mall as I thought I was going to go. Yeah, so I was able to get this fresh mango juice that you're seeing, and I think this is going to last me the entire time during my trip here, or maybe I can get more. But yeah, there's this. I'm going to just keep it right now in the fridge. Then something else, I got these snacks as well. I don't know what this exactly is, but I will try it out and see. There's that. And then I got this. The guy recommended this one as well. So tea, I don't know whatever it is. Yep. So these ones are going for, this was like 1 dirham, and then this was 1.5 dirham, and then these ones are going for, there's one for 80, there's one for 8 dirham, and then there's another one for 10 dirham. The one with spicy is 10 dirham, and then this was 30. Yeah, this was 30 dirham, like all that juice. So 30 dirham is like, oh god, I have no idea. But yeah, so this woman right here is just so tired and so sleepy. Like, I just want to eat something and then maybe just rest, you know. I'll just be on my phone, relaxing on my bed, because that's all I can do for today, because tomorrow I have an early morning. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. If you like this particular video, kindly thumbs up, and if there is anything that you feel we can talk about, please leave a comment. And until next time, good people, kisses to you.